everybody, I'm sure that most of you have had bad experiences with your hosting, possibly because half of the web hosting services are scams. If you're tired of all the problems you've been having, all you need to do is visit www.bluehost.com. It's the best web hosting service out there. Whether you already have a running website or you need to start from the beginning, there is an offer you simply can't refuse. The experts at Bluehost will make your life so much easier and help you with any problems you may have. Of course, the customer service is top-notch with its 24/7 availability. The money-back guarantee policy, one-click installs, and much more make the site the best one. Trust Bluehost with your needs and you will not be disappointed. So I highly recommend that you check out Bluehost in the link at the bottom of this video.